Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to be creating a nativity scene. So let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to create our structure. So we're going to have a line coming down this way and a line coming down this way. Now we're going to turn this into a roof. So we have a little line here and a little line here. And then we're going to have a dot coming about half an inch or about a centimeter down from the initial angle right here. We're going to attach this line to this dot and this line to this dot. That's going to be the roof. Now we're going to make the sides of our structure. So we'll come down with a straight line, and then we'll double that up and then close at the bottom. Now we're going to come down and come down with some straight lines and close at the bottom. Now underneath, we're going to make two slanted lines and two slanted lines, just like that. If you'd like to add a little bit of detail here, you can add some lines. And then we're going to make our figures right here. We're going to make Mary and we're going to make Joseph. So what we're going to do is these are going to be very, very simple. We're going to make an upside down J and another upside down J. This one's going to be a little bit smaller. This is going to be Mary. And now we're going to attach to this a curved line that looks like this and a curved line that looks like this. Now we're going to make some faces, just the sides of the faces, and they're going to be very simple. So you're going to come out, make a small bump for the nose, and come down. Come out, make a small bump for the nose, and come down. And then we're going to make another curved line here. And remember, if you ever come across something, you need to jump over it, not go right through it, and then pick up your marker or your pencil and go down the other side. And then on this one here, on Mary's figure, we're going to come down like this. Add just maybe a little bit, a little bit more detail here. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of detail up here. So let's add a curved line. And then just maybe some more curved lines going like this. Looks like my marker's running out, so I'm going to get another one. And then we maybe make some vertical lines going this way. There we go. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to make some snow. So we're going to have a line coming over across here and then like this. And maybe even a little bit more right here. And then just make some lines. They're not going to be super straight, but this is going to represent snow. Maybe even one more right here. So just make your lines going across and make sure that you don't make them super straight because we want them to look like snow. In the background, you're going to make some more lines coming out and then going across, maybe even a little hill here in the back. If you'd like to make a few trees, go ahead and do so, but if you don't want to do this part, that's okay. Maybe I'll make another one right here. The way that I like to make these trees, these pine trees, is I like to just make a triangle and then another triangle right underneath. And don't forget your trunk. Now let's make a star. I'm going to make a star up here. And I think what I'm going to do is just make this type of a star. There are different types of stars that you can make, but this is the type that I like for my nativity scene. So you make an upside down V, and then you make two lines coming straight out, two lines coming down, and then 2 more V's like this. And then coming out from the star, we can make some long lines and make sure that you double those. I feel like this might need some more lines, maybe some shorter lines. We'd like to make this really, really vibrant. There we go. Now we can make even more stars that are smaller. And the way that we represent stars that are a little bit smaller or further away, it's just maybe some dots. You can even have that be snow if you'd like. If you can see the eyes on your figures, you might even want to make some little lines to represent some closed eyes, some praying eyes. Alrighty, that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time.